No, you just want the ball. Okay. Look at all this candy.
Ooh, he wants a mouse.
Wow. There you go. Look. You want color? Here you go, dude. Look. Look what Daddy got. Yeah, that's cool, huh? Look what else. Look, buddy.
Yeah.
Look at this. Okay. Get this shirt, Rodney. It's cute.
Mm-hmm.
Look, what does it say?
Oh,
Mom got it.
child. Expiring.
You got another shirt too, and a towel from Nana.
Watch it be like May.
Look.
Well, that's what she was trying to do.
Huh.
Bury her face.
Those are not yours.
Look, here's a book too. For Mama.
Smell like books?
Huh?
Smell like a book?
Does it smell like a book?
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know what that means.
Well, it's a book, so.
Look at all this candy. I know you don't care about any of it.
Yeah.
Here you go. Look what the Easter Bunny brought Daddy. Cadbury cream eggs.
Yay! Gag me.
I know, they're gross. But look what he brought Mama.
Yeah.
And this. Look, Sour Patch Bunnies. They're bunnies, not kids. They're bunnies. And I know you can't have any.
She's happy
Just
with
wanted.
me.
He was just glad not to be around all these dogs, all these puppies. Okay, dude, I think that's it.
She loves me.
All done.